Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Poco F4 GT, and today I would like to show you how you can add events to calendar on this device. First of all, you need to find calendar and click on it. Now tap on the month above and pick a date. When you're ready, you need to choose this plus icon at the bottom right corner and select event. After that, adjust it however you want to. For example, add a title, pick starting or ending hour, choose does not repeat and select one of those options if you wish your event to repeat. Add videos, location. Over here type in an address, click on the correct one, scroll down and set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before your event. When you're ready, you can also change color, take notes, add attachments and finally save your event by choosing the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. If you wish to edit it, you need to tap on it, click on this pen icon at the top right corner and make your changes. I will, for example, remove my location and go back with a different one. Then just save at the top right corner again. If you want to delete it though, you need to click on it, tap on those three dots at the top right corner, select delete over here and tap on delete in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!